I'm gonna dig into it real quick. Holy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jackie and you know we're never taggy. So in today's video, you guys will be seeing how I honestly just style and curl my hair. Super duper duper easy. This has to be my favorite hairstyle for the summer. Honestly, this wig, I'm speechless. I am speechless. Hair specs, like all the details right there. It is by the store Forevermore. This is unpaid, by the way. It is by the store Forevermore. It's a V-part wig, and it's a V-part wig. It is a human kinky straight human wig, glueless yaki half. You know they do a lot with the description, but it's 150 density, 24 inches. I got mine in 24 inches, and I got it in their natural black color. Now that is kind of like, I know they were trying to go for like the universal fit as far as hair color goes, but I wish they would have more options for the hair color because some companies actually do that. But like for me, my hair grows out a little bit lighter brown. My hair does grow out a little brown, so it's kind of like not the best thing for me because it's not gonna blend well, and I'm in a season where I don't want to dye my natural hair. I am thinking about a rinse for it though, so we'll see about that. But the hair itself, is 24 inches. I did layer it. You guys saw that. I do have a few clips down the middle and some claws, which is good so your hair does not fall off. And then we also have the adjustable strings to kind of like calm down the hair because the hair did come in like its very natural raw texture. As far like the yakiness goes, I did use this Tymo. I did use the Tymo on the highest setting with heat protectant, of course, and I also did use this Revlon. So yeah. And as far as like my hair having it not revert back to like being frizzy, honestly, I just used a little. I'm not saying this is a miracle worker, but I think my hair has gotten to me straightening it or putting heat on it. It's like heat trained, I would say. But for hair oils, I did use this Moroccan oil. I went in with my Verb. I use this daily, and also for the leave out, I use this 24-hour max hold. Please aid down with the braid down, okay? Aid down with the braid down. So we're gonna use these for where the V is actually at, and then claw her down, and then claw her down, and then also on this side, claw her down. Actually, I feel like that's too close. So this is how the hair looks. Like it's still a little bit big, but not in the sense of like, oh, it's still like huge, and I love it. So it's actually hot in here. Let me go get water, I'll be back. So what I don't like is these little two. You guys know the girl from like the big red dog, like Emily Elizabeth. Like that's what it's giving. So like this is my leave out. You guys know I recently cut my hair, so it's super duper short. So I want layers to like kind of flow with this. So I'm gonna base my layers off of my actual hair itself. I don't like how blunt my hair is too, so I might end up cutting it, so I don't know just yet. So let's start from my neighbor's dog is out, you guys. I put off filming it yesterday because my battery is dead. I just keep putting it off and I can't keep putting off filming this video. By the way, if I'm talking 100 miles per hour, it's because we have anyways. This is a V-part wig, and honestly I just want to start my layers from there. And this is an amazing wig for like a starter person, so I might nip some of my hair a little bit and then just keep going down from here. Because I feel like with this hair, this is like one of my only most viable options. And we'll know once these are gone. Oh, that was a little too good. Smell like the CIA. This is low-key giving Sabrina Carpenter bangs in a way, and I'm not too mad, but I feel like we can actually do a thing, so I'm glad I did that. But I generally want to do like a flip over method with my hair, and yeah, like I want to do a flip over and see how that looks. I feel like that looks super duper good, but I want to do like a flip over method with this hair and see how that goes and curls, and I just know it's going to eat, and we're going to see how this holds. I don't have any clips to like hold the hair, so we're just gonna like wand it, hold it, and then spray. And that's what we're gonna do for the whole thing and see how it looks. Wand it, hold it. Gonna do one Mississippi, two Mississippi, three Mississippi, four Mississippi. Ooh, I'm holding it tight. Hold her back in again. Boom. Going in again. And I want my curls huge, so let's leave that out. And then also my leave out, let's clip her, because I do not need any more heat on my leave out, so I'm just gonna clip my leave out. Let me clip it. Or we can tie it, clip it. What do you want to do, Jackson? We can clip it, tie it, dye it, lay it to the side. So, what the fuck? Oh, the spray that I'm using, you can even join, girl. The spray that I'm using is the Kenra and the N25. 25. I don't want my hair curl right or anything, so yeah.
Get out. No, it's not far. I stand on business. I'll tell you where you're about to stand. This is the gates of heaven. Now what? Okay. Get out. No, talk to you, but I'm standing on business. I'll tell you where you're about to stand. This is the gates of heaven with two lights. Oh. I just already don't like mine.
Iris moves so weird to me. She hides everything from the damn get-go. She's over here, I'm a girl. No, the fuck you're not.
He told me that she is not asleep and that he does not want to sleep in the bed. Wash right here, and we're gonna dye it. Remember also these extensions, you can dye them to get your perfect tone. In my case, my hair is fading and I have jet black extensions, so tonight I'm gonna be 100% black to match my extensions. As you can see,
you at your 9-to-5 job, scrolling TikTok, wondering how the fuck these people get online businesses while you're staring across the patty thinking, I cannot have your fucking life in 30 years. And yet you haven't done shit about it. Keep languishing in that horrible, good at. I don't know what kind of business you would start. Bitch, there are people with fucking jars of farts on TikTok. You're sitting there.
I cannot wait to see how it looks, so I'm gonna dig into it real quick. Holy. Let me hurry up and finish. I think I'm gonna cut more layers into this. I know I'm gonna cut more layers into this. But you guys, this is how it's looking. Ooh. Look how pretty, just straight off the head. I know it's a little bit tangly over here, but that's because I already like freshened these out. But look how pretty. Look how pretty. We're gonna finger. Oh, this is massive. This is massive. I think I want to recurl this one. Actually, layer it first and then recurl it. Look how huge the hair is. Oh. So for the hair, I'm just gonna take down the leave out and then comb it in, I guess.